Welcome to YP Investors. We are a community platform for individual investors to use and utilize technical analysis tools.
What is technical analysis? It's essentially the supply and demand of a stock. Where fundamental analysis of a stock focuses on financials and earnings reports, technical analysis is based off of the price history of a stock.
Our monthly membership provides so much to an investor. We offer tools including the stock selector, relative strength charts, point and figure charts, low price stocks, fundamental analysis tools, and the top stocks and sectors page.
These tools, charts, and pages unlock valuable information to guide your investments. Whether you're investing savings that would otherwise sit in your bank account or investing for your retirement, these tools will aid you in making educated moves in your investments.
While these tools are such a big part of our membership, our YP community and forums are equally valuable. Connect and discuss with like-minded investors while you grow your wealth.
We can't wait for you to take the reins on your investments and join our growing community of YP investors.